So the back side of these angles, take a piece of 1x and square, and I just sort of eyeball the 45 for the brace, and then I trace on the back side the limits of the top and the side, and then from those limit lines on the short side I come in half an inch, and then I angle that out to the end of the board. I do that on both sides, and what that creates is this dovetail that locks itself flush in place. And then I take a piece of 1/4 inch dowel and actually pin the center so that if it failed for some reason, if the glue let go and the dovetail shape didn't hold it in place, which it would, it's pinned so it can't move anywhere. And then I retrace the shape of the dovetailed portion that I've cut on the bandsaw, and I can mark the limits of that. Freehand saw that out, chisel it, and these pieces will be cut flush after they're installed. And this is notched. This piece here, there's a windowsill that this is going to sit in on top of the first layer, and then the third layer will sit on top of that. It's quite elaborate, but it's going to look pretty nice.